Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rehana. Today I am going to teach about the mechanical properties of dental material, which is very useful topic in the field of the dentistry. Every department must be knowing about the dental materials and must be using also. So before using that material, we have to come across about the properties of the material. There are different of the properties, mechanical properties, physical properties. But today I am going to teach about the mechanical properties. Under the mechanical properties, there are several type of the properties. Introduction is stress and its type, mechanical properties based on the elastic deformation, strength properties, other mechanical properties also. So what are the mechanical properties? Mechanical properties are defined by the laws of mechanics. That is the physical science which deals with the energy and forces and their effect on bodies. These properties are measure of the resistance of the material to deformation and fracture under the applied force. So before coming to all the properties, basically what we should know about the dental material. What are the dental materials? Dental material basically are the biocompatible material that should be long lasting and also direct and indirect filling, and that are also used in different form in the form of the metals. When metals are used, that could be in a metal framework or in crown form. If we are using a ceramic, that will be for the smile designing or the anterior correction of posterior crowns, and polymers that fabricate for dentures, cements, polluting the crowns or restoration, and composites also. Except all these five materials, there are several types of the material which we use in dentistry. So stress. What is the stress? Stress basically a force per unit area acting on a millions of atoms or molecules in a given plane of material. It is typically decreased as a function of distance from the area of apical forces. It can be denoted force upon area. What are the types of stresses? There are different types of the stresses, simple and complex. Under the simple, we'll talk about the tensile, compression, and shear stress, which is more common in dentistry. So, after the simple stress, other stresses also, that is complex, flexural, torsion, and diametral stress. Basically, compression stress. What is the compression stress? Compression stress when the force acted towards the body and metal or material will get suppressed and the dimension will decrease, and it's opposite of the tension. Tensional force means what will do, uh, the force act away from the material and the material will get elongated, and shear force is approximately different, means when the force is away from the material and also in the different direction. Thank you so much.